Hey guys, I'm Bruce, ready to warp through time without leaving your couch? If you grew up blasting Koopas, catching Pokemon, or performing pixel-perfect Hadoukens, your Android device can now be your personal portal to retro paradise. From PlayStation Legends to Nintendo Classics and even Sega surprises, we've rounded up the top 10 emulators for your Android device that'll bring your childhood memories back in glorious HD. These apps are basically time machines with turbo boosts. And the best part? You don't need a beefy rig or a mile-long HDMI cable, just your phone and some nostalgia-fueled determination. We'll break down their coolest features, system needs, don't worry, we keep it chill, and exactly why each one deserves a spot in your gaming arsenal. Like that retro energy? Smash that like button, tap subscribe for more gaming magic, and don't forget to drop your favorite emulator in the comments below. NetherSX2. NetherSX2 is the digital wizard that transforms your Android device into a PlayStation 2 powerhouse. With its high-performance emulation, it delivers smooth gameplay, making lag a thing of the past. The emulator has extensive compatibility, supporting a vast library of PS2 titles, from the legendary to the obscure. Its customizable controls allow you to tailor on-screen buttons or connect external controllers, ensuring your gaming experience feels just right. Graphics enthusiasts will appreciate the enhanced visuals, with options to upscale resolution and apply texture filtering, breathing new life into classic games. Additional features like save states and cheat code support add layers of convenience and fun to your retro gaming sessions. Before diving into the pixelated nostalgia, ensure your device is up to the task. NetherSX2 recommends a device with at least a Snapdragon 845 processor or equivalent, featuring 4 large cores at the Cortex A75 level. This ensures optimal performance, especially when enabling multi-threaded VU, which significantly boosts game performance. While the emulator strives to accommodate a range of devices, lower-end hardware may experience reduced performance, particularly with more demanding titles. Its ad-free experience means uninterrupted journeys down memory lane. The emulator's seamless integration with platforms like Launchbox and Daigisho makes game management a breeze. Regular updates ensure ongoing optimization and expanded BIOS compatibility, keeping your gaming experience fresh and inclusive. Moreover, the active community and developer support mean you're never alone in your quest for the perfect emulation setup. PPSSPP is the magic wand that turns your Android device into a PlayStation portable console, letting you relive those classic gaming moments with enhanced flair. It supports high-definition gameplay, breathing new life into your favorite PSP titles with crisper visuals and smoother performance. The emulator offers customizable controls, allowing you to tweak on-screen buttons or connect external controllers for that authentic gaming feel. With features like save states, you can pause and resume your adventures at will, and the inclusion of cheat codes means you can bend the rules when the going gets tough. PPSSPP also boasts a vast library of compatible games, ensuring your retro cravings are well satisfied. Its user-friendly interface makes navigation a breeze, and with regular updates, the emulator continues to evolve, offering improved compatibility and performance enhancements. Before you embark on your nostalgic journey, ensure your device is up to the task. PPSSPP is designed to be efficient, running smoothly on most Android devices from the past decade. However, performance can vary based on your device's hardware. For optimal gameplay, a device with a robust processor and a decent GPU is recommended. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date will also help in maintaining smooth performance. While PPSSPP strives to accommodate a wide range of devices, lower-end hardware may experience reduced performance with more demanding titles. PPSSPP brings a treasure trove of benefits to the retro gaming table. Its open-source nature means a community of developers continually works to improve and expand its capabilities. The emulator's ability to upscale textures and enhance graphics ensures your beloved PSP games look better than ever. Regular updates keep the emulator fresh, addressing bugs and introducing new features. Moreover, the active community and developer support mean you're never alone in your quest for the perfect emulation setup. Yuzu. Yuzu is a free and open-source emulator designed to bring Nintendo Switch games to your Android device. Developed by the creators of the Citra emulator, Yuzu boasts a range of features that enhance the gaming experience. One notable feature is resolution rescaling, allowing games to be rendered at higher resolutions than the original console, providing sharper visuals. The emulator also supports both OpenGL and Vulkan graphics APIs, offering flexibility based on your device's capabilities. Additionally, Yuzu includes customizable controls, enabling users to tailor the on-screen buttons or use external controllers for a more authentic gaming experience. The emulator's active development community ensures regular updates, continually improving performance and expanding game compatibility. Running Yuzu on Android requires a device with a recent Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The Snapdragon 865 or newer is recommended for optimal performance. The emulator also requires at least 8 GB of RAM and Android 11 or higher. Devices with integrated Adreno GPUs, such as the Adreno 740, are preferred due to better driver support. It's important to note that devices with MediaTek or Samsung Exynos processors may experience compatibility issues, as their GPU drivers are not as well supported for Yuzu. Yuzu offers several advantages for those looking to emulate Nintendo Switch games on Android. Its open-source nature allows for continuous improvements and community contributions, leading to a constantly evolving emulator. The ability to upscale game resolution means that games can look even better than on the original hardware. Customizable controls provide flexibility, accommodating various playstyles and preferences. Furthermore, Yuzu's support for both OpenGL and Vulkan graphics APIs ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. Pizza Boy Pro. Pizza Boy Pro is a Game Boy Advance emulator for Android devices, offering a suite of features to enhance the retro gaming experience. This one has a customizable interface with various skins, allowing users to tailor the visual aesthetics to their liking. The emulator supports cheat codes, enabling players to modify gameplay as desired. Integration with Google Drive facilitates seamless synchronization of game saves across devices. Both quick save and autosave functionalities ensure that progress is never lost. For multiplayer enthusiasts, Pizza Boy Pro provides local and Wi-Fi multiplayer capabilities, allowing users to connect and play with friends. Additional features include BIOS support, hardware sensor compatibility, such as gyroscope, light sensor, and tilt sensor, a rewind function to undo mistakes, and support for hardware joypads. The emulator guarantees 60 FPS performance even on older hardware, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. To run Pizza Boy Pro effectively, your Android device should meet certain specifications. The emulator is designed to be lightweight and efficient, ensuring high performance and low battery consumption. It is compatible with devices running Android 6.0, Marshmallow, or higher. While it performs well on a range of hardware, devices with more recent processors and higher RAM will provide a more seamless gaming experience. The emulator's efficient coding in C and assembly languages contributes to its ability to maintain 60 FPS even on older devices. Its high performance and low battery consumption are achieved through efficient coding practices. The customizable interface allows users to personalize their gaming experience. Comprehensive features such as cheat code support, Google Drive synchronization, and multiplayer options cater to a wide range of user preferences. Dolphin. Dolphin is a free and open-source emulator that brings Nintendo GameCube and Wii games to various platforms, including Windows, Linux, macOS, and Android. It enhances the original gaming experience by supporting high-definition resolutions up to 5K, surpassing the native capabilities of the original consoles. Dolphin offers a range of graphical improvements, such as anti-aliasing, anisotropic filtering, and support for custom high-resolution textures, allowing for a visually enriched gameplay experience. The emulator supports real Wii remotes via Bluetooth, along with various extensions like Motion Plus, Nunchuck, and Classic Controller, providing an authentic gaming feel. Additionally, Dolphin includes features like save states, action replay, and Gecko cheat code support, enabling users to customize their gaming sessions. It also supports NetPlay for online multiplayer gaming and has the capability to emulate the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection for online play with other Dolphin users and actual Wii consoles. To run Dolphin effectively, certain system specifications are recommended. For Android devices, a 64-bit edition of Android 5.0 or higher is required, with Android 9 or higher recommended. A powerful 64-bit processor, such as Snapdragon 700 series or newer, and a graphics processor supporting OpenGL ES 3.0 or higher, preferably OpenGL ES 3.2 or Vulkan 1.1, are recommended for smooth performance. Its ability to render games in high-definition resolution significantly enhances visual quality beyond the original consoles. The emulator's support for various graphical enhancements and custom textures allows for a tailored and improved gaming experience. Compatibility with real Wii remotes and extensions provides an authentic control experience. The emulator's cross-platform support allows users to enjoy their favorite titles on multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android. DuckStation. DuckStation on Android is basically your portable time machine to the golden era of PlayStation 1 gaming, just with way more polish and fewer loading screens. It's a free emulator that's not only accurate, but also sleek, efficient, and stacked with modern enhancements. You're not just playing old-school games, you're watching them glow up with HD upscaling and PGXP correction features that iron out that classic PS1 texture jitter. Setup is surprisingly easy once you know the dance. You'll need to prep your ISOs, usually CHD, BN, or ISO formats, and throw in the required BIOS file, scph1001.bn, for your games to boot. Downloading large ISOs on Android can be a bit like juggling jelly, so transferring them from a PC via cable is a way safer bet. Once DuckStation detects your game folder and BIOS, it's smooth sailing. The emulator gives you full control. Custom gamepad support, save states, fast forward, cheat menus, and the beloved pause menu that opens up all the tweakables while your game's still running. If graphics look wonky, no worries. You can toggle PGXP features to fix them per game. Whether you're playing multi-disc JRPGs or arcade-style brawlers, DuckStation even lets you swap discs mid-session like a digital ninja. And if you're feeling wild, you can manage memory cards just like the real thing, either the PS1 BIOS interface or DuckStation's own. Redream. Redream is a Sega Dreamcast emulator that enables users to play their favorite Dreamcast games in high definition on modern hardware. It supports a vast majority of the Dreamcast library, with over 95% compatibility, allowing for seamless gameplay from start to finish. The emulator offers high-definition rendering, enhancing the visual quality of classic titles beyond their original resolution. Its user-friendly interface requires no BIOS setup or complex configurations. Users simply add their games and play. Redream also includes features such as save states and cheat support, providing a convenient and customizable gaming experience. Additionally, it automatically downloads cover art for games, offering a visually appealing library display. The emulator is cross-platform, available on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and even the Raspberry Pi 4, ensuring accessibility across various devices. On Android devices, the emulator requires Android 5.0 or higher, with a 32-bit or 64-bit ARM v7 or ARM v8 CPU, 512 MB of RAM, and graphics support for OpenGL ES 3.1. These modest requirements allow Redream to run smoothly even on older hardware, delivering consistent 60 Hz performance. Its high compatibility ensures that users can enjoy a vast majority of Dreamcast titles without issues. The emulator's cross-platform availability ensures that users can enjoy their favorite games on various devices, including desktops and mobile platforms. Additionally, Redream's lightweight nature, with a size of less than 4 MB, combined with its efficient performance, allows it to run smoothly even on decade-old hardware. M64 Plus FZ. M64 Plus FZ is a robust Nintendo 64 emulator designed for Android devices, offering an array of features to enhance the retro gaming experience. Built upon the open-source M64 Plus project, it ensures stability and broad compatibility with a vast library of N64 titles. The emulator supports high-resolution graphics, allowing classic games to be rendered with improved visual fidelity. Users can customize control schemes extensively, accommodating both on-screen controls and external controllers connected via Bluetooth or USB. Additional functionalities include save states for convenient game progress management, cheat code support, and the ability to load various texture packs to further enhance visuals. The Pro version introduces features like online cloud backup for safeguarding game data and netplay support for online multiplayer gaming. Its user-friendly interface simplifies navigation, making it accessible for both newcomers and seasoned gamers. To run M64 Plus FZ effectively, your Android device should meet certain specifications. The emulator requires a device with an ARM v7 or ARM v8 CPU architecture, ensuring compatibility with most modern smartphones and tablets. A minimum of 512 MB of RAM is necessary, though 1 GB or more is recommended for optimal performance. The device should be running Android 6.0, Marshmallow, or higher. For graphical performance, OpenGL ES 2.0 support is required. While the emulator is designed to be efficient, devices with more powerful processors and GPUs will deliver smoother gameplay and better handling of high-resolution graphics enhancements. Its high compatibility rate ensures that most N64 games run smoothly, providing an authentic gaming experience. The emulator's support for high-resolution rendering and texture packs breathes new life into classic titles, enhancing visual appeal. Extensive customization options for controls cater to diverse user preferences, whether using on-screen inputs or external controllers. Regular updates and active community support contribute to the emulator's reliability and continuous improvement. RetroArch. RetroArch for Android is like the Swiss Army knife of emulation. It doesn't just handle one console, it practically devours the entire retro gaming universe. From NES and SNES to PlayStation 1, Sega Saturn, N64, and even arcade systems, this free and open source app supports dozens of systems in one slick, but sometimes overwhelming interface. You'll need to download something called cores for each console you want to emulate. But don't worry, RetroArch makes it easy to grab just what you need. Once you've picked your cores, dropped your BIOS files into the right spot, and extracted your game ROMs or ISOs, yes, they can stay zipped sometimes, you're off to the races. Whether you want to play a childhood favorite, mess with shaders to get those pixel-perfect CRT vibes, or load cheat codes like it's 1997, RetroArch gives you more tools than a hardware store. The UI can be a bit clunky at first, especially on smaller screens, but it works beautifully on tablets and Chromebooks. And for the brave-hearted, you can dive deep into settings for custom overlays, fast-forward options, netplay, and even disc swapping for multi-CD classics. It can be a little daunting for beginners, sure, but if you're willing to learn, it's one of the most powerful emulators you'll ever use. Lemuroid. Lemuroid is an open-source emulator for Android devices, designed to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience for retro gaming enthusiasts. It supports a lot of classic gaming systems, including Atari 2600, NES, SNES, Game Boy, Sega Genesis L, Sega Master System, Sega Game Gear, Nintendo 64, Nintendo DS, PlayStation, PlayStation Portable, and more. Key features include automatic save and restore of game states, optimized touch controls, quick save load functionality with multiple slots, and support for zipped ROMs. Lemuroid also offers display simulation options, LCD CRT, gamepad support, local multiplayer capabilities by connecting multiple gamepads to the same device, tilt input, customizable touch controls, size and position, and cloud save synchronization. The emulator is compatible with a wide range of devices, from phones to TVs, and is completely free without ads. Lemuroid is designed to run efficiently on a broad spectrum of Android devices. The minimum system requirements include Android Marshmallow or higher. While the emulator is optimized for performance, more recent systems such as PSP, DS, and 3DS may require more powerful hardware for optimal emulation. Devices with robust processors and sufficient RAM will provide smoother gameplay experiences, especially for more demanding titles. Lemuroid's efficient design ensures that it can operate effectively across various device configurations, making retro gaming accessible to a wide audience. Its extensive compatibility with multiple gaming systems allows users to consolidate their emulation needs into a single application. The inclusion of display simulation options caters to nostalgia by replicating the look of classic gaming displays. Additionally, Lemuroid's commitment to being free and without ads ensures an uninterrupted and enjoyable user experience. Its open-source nature encourages community involvement and continuous improvement, keeping the emulator up to date with user needs and technological advancements. So these are 10 emulators that turn your Android into a retro gaming beast. From the silky smooth performance of DuckStation to the all-in-one nostalgia punch of RetroArch, these apps make sure your favorite classics live on. Bigger, sharper, and smoother than ever. Plus, with most of them being free or open source, there's really no excuse not to dive back into the golden era of gaming. So which emulator are you installing first? Gonna jump into some PS2 greatness or replay those 8-bit masterpieces? Either way, retro never looked so good. Love the ride? Then go ahead and subscribe for more nostalgic deep dives, and tell us in the comments which retro game you're itching to relive first. Let the emulation celebration continue.